Hi everyone, this is the Storm Exciter radio control stunt car for adults and kids. It is a 360 turbo spin car that comes with a radio control unit, rechargeable battery and a charger. Come unbox this with me. So this is a beautiful lemon color stunt car. This product comes in different colors, but right now I'm unboxing the lemon green colored stunt car that comes with a radio control. So this is the stunt car. Yeah, this is the back and front, and this is the radio control. It requires 2 AA batteries. This is the battery for the stunt car itself. It's a rechargeable battery, and when the battery runs down you can recharge it. So here we insert 2 AA batteries into the remote control. So these AA batteries require change when they're out, or they are no longer as powerful as they should be. The battery for the stunt car has been inserted, and here it goes. It does 360 spinning. It's quite fast and it's a joy to control. It spins, it flips all over. It's a delight for both adults and kids. Watch it go. That's a beautiful lemon